Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is another 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I have some ideas about what I want to do. This is Rhapsody Rose that I love a lot. I'm not going to connect my puddles this time. I'm going to try them separate. This is Tickled Pink. So what else? A little Dancing Fuchsia, never heard anything. All similar colors. Well, in the same family, shall we say. Little Whispering Wisteria. And that is where I'm going to start. I'm being called to Blue Velvet and Snapdragon. All I want to do is just cover areas with color. I'm not going to worry about the precision application. But I am going to continue with my Whispering Wisteria. Oh, I've got some, I just made up some Oriental Blue. We'll see what happens with that. Looks like I should have cleaned the top out. Very much. It's the Blue Velvet. I thought I just cleaned the tip out of. Still being a problem child. Oh well, I guess that's all we need for now. I'm gonna grab some deep amethyst. And a little frozen amethyst. And a little periwinkle, if it's open. Not really. Put that someplace I can clean it in a minute. I am looking for the Dancing Fuchsia. I'm liking that. I wasn't sure I liked this pink in here, but I do now. So maybe I'll darken it up just a little bit. Some saffron. And a little orange crush. And maybe some white, dazzling white. Make sure that's dry. That's pretty dry. This is dry, the rest is not. I don't mind that. I'm going to use that little bit of orange. Then I'm going to risk some white. I wanted to risk some black, but the black is a plan for later, so we'll see what happens with that. I don't mind the white, but I think I might take my residuals and use them with my silicone rubber brushes. Which, by the way, if I ever forget to tell you, you can always have a link for those. I kind of want to use some more white and some Rhapsody Rose and see what happens. Hopefully something good. Well, the something good has to start with an open bottle. There we go. I think there's going to have to be more Rhapsody Rose. And since I'm using white, I'm going to try the Tickled Pink as well. I did drip. Still dripping. I just love this when it comes out. Red violet. Still got some. I'm thinking about that vibrant aqua. going to mess with some Oriental Blue. I don't think it's going to show later, but I'm going to mess with it now. And you never know, it might. That does not belong there. I think I want a little bit more orange. There we go. That's kind of cool. Makes me want more Rhapsody Rose. Not sure what that's going to do. Still contemplating that Vibrant Aqua. I'm still liking this a lot. I might be hallucinating, but I think I see a hair in there. Be nice to have my tweezers, which I have evidently put down someplace and I cannot find them. Okay, well, let's hope I'm wrong. And I also hit a spot. With my spatula, so I'm just going to go back over. And I actually like that. I think I'm going to use the saffron. And I might just leave that, although I can certainly taper out that end. It's time to be careful of everything since I know it's sticky and it'll pull right up if I'm not careful. So am I done? Pretty close. I kind of want some black. I know I shouldn't. But I see a place I want to put it. Several. I think it's time to put the spatula down. Not sure about that last one. But I like it. I think that's it. Or that's it. I'm not sure which side is up. I don't mind it this way, but I think I prefer it this way. And it reminds me of one of my dad's paintings. Got a lot of good energy in it. I like it. I think it's part of a new series. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.